Welcome to Joseph IT Guys, a technology entertainer. If you're facing the problem of this program can't start because Zinput 13DLL is missing, then this video is really meant for you, and I will just show you how to fix it using the official source of Microsoft. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to Google Chrome, and as you can see, this is the official source of Microsoft, and I'm just hitting there. Okay, now under DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, simply click here and start download. Okay, now open it. Now accept it and next. If you want, you can uncheck it and then next, and it is being installed. It will take a few minutes to be completed, and trust me, all your DLL missing errors will be done. And if you are just playing games and having issues with this, then all the things will be okay. Just trust me. Okay, as you can see, some important files, some important DLLs are being downloaded to your system from the Microsoft, and after this the problem will go forever. It may take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Okay, all the components are downloaded. Now it is being installed in your system. It is most probably done. Okay, installation of all the DLLs those are required is done. Now just click on finish and simply restart your PC and come back. And trust me, if you're having trouble on playing any games, then the issue will be fixed. The DLL has been installed in your system, and just simply restart it, click to play the game, and done. And simply let me know on the comment box whether it is working for you or not. Let me know and I will try to help you if you need any. Okay, and I hope you will find this video useful. Please like the video, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.